People generally do not like surprises, except if it is their birthday. That means if you surprise your people, majority of time they will assume wrong things about you. Until people are informed properly in advance, they actually assume wrong things. So they always remember this. If they are not up on a subject, they're always down on that subject. And when they're down, they don't believe in you. So first point number one, don't give surprises to people. If you want to really take people in confidence, never give surprises to them. And second thing, you have to have patience with people. And this is very painful, typically for personality like me, who have a D component, who want to do it now. If you really want to make sure that people listen to you, do not get into trap of a group meeting. All of you, if you're a manager right now and you believe I'll pass on all my messages by doing a group meeting, status call, and I'm done, let me tell you, this is the biggest mistake of your life. You will regret it lifelong. What will happen, I'll tell you. If people are not in confidence with you, they will make hell out of your life, in the meeting. They will oppose every single idea which you say. If they don't oppose in public, definitely they're not going to buy in for sure. So what do you do first? So I'll tell you first and most important thing, why should you meet one-on-one before you get into any of the group meeting is the first question. That person is with you because he starts saying, okay, my manager, being a senior manager, he's investing time with me, he's understanding my concern, and he's trying to invest time with me. They start working with you. I guarantee you, just do it. Small thing. But results will be 10 times much higher. Third point, the only way you can get influence is, now you started talking one-on-one with them. You understand their perspective. You have said your perspective. They know exactly what is expected. You will see influence levels start increasing. Now they will have their concerns. Always ask them, is there anything which you are not clear? Anything which you want help from me? The first question I ask in the project is, are you clear about your task? And do you need some help from my side? If I can come and help you, somewhere you need, if I have to talk to somebody to make sure this project is delivered right on time, are we on the same page? The moment you ask this question, have patience of listening. Don't get into a situation where people have to assume. Tell them clearly, this is what is the truth. This is what is the reality. This is what we are going to do. Zero assumption.